So how many times have you had to create compelling imagery like this one based on technical documentation? Let me show you how to do it from AutoCAD into Sketchbook Designer by sending this canvas in AutoCAD into Sketchbook Designer. Right now, all my vector layers are in Sketchbook, and there's another layer called Paint 2, which is basically all the white piece of the canvas. Using the magic wand and on top of Paint 2, I can select all those pieces of sky and just delete them. Now I will import an image of sky so I can use that as a background. And there you go, here's the sky, and with Sketchbook Designer's gizmo I can do uniform and non-uniform scaling. In this case I did uniform scaling, and I'll just put that layer behind Paint 2 layer so it really belongs to the background as if it was really sky, right? So once I'm done with that and just can tweak a little bit the gizmo and just move around the sky a little bit more, now I will proceed to create some transparency on the glass, on this particular piece of the glass. So something interesting to do, or very useful to do, is just to rename layers. So if you're going to have many layers, it is good to do that. And now again on Paint 2 and using the magic wand, I can now again select all the pieces of the glass panes, which we are basically going to delete from the canvas, and we're also going to create some effects that look like glass on top of that. So let's create a new paint layer, which is going to be called glass this time. And there's a little piece of glass that will be seen between the core, right? Just by doing that line there, that selection, I can very fast create a selection that I can now subtract with a rectangular selection. So I will just remove those little pieces there, here and there. There you go. So now I have all the glass that I need to take out. So again, on Paint 2 layer, I will just press delete, and I actually see the sky. But I need some level of materiality on the glass, so it really does look like glass and not just a railing. So by using the gradient tool, I can, as you can see now, I can just tweak the values and the colors by clicking those controls. I can add more controls along the gradients and go back to the color wheel, and with the eyedropper or just selecting colors, just add new colors. I'm going to add some whites again, right? So I can have some effects like glass, and another one with the light blue, which can, of course, then I can just move around, rotate, and make any kind of deformation I want. Once I have this exactly where I want, I can now apply some transparency to that layer. So it really looks like there's the sky in the back, there's a glass, there's something there. And this was just one piece of what it takes to get to this kind of imagery. Thank you very much.